PJ9487. Her name is Wilma Sebastian, 33 years old and single mom of 3 healthy kids. She's a high school graduate and with experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. This is PJ9487. Will you please introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Wilma Sebastian. I live in Barangay Valdez, Panay, Ilocos Norte. I'm 33 years old, and I have 3 healthy kids. Their age is 12, 11, and 5. My parents are Mr. Hilario Sebastian, Mrs. Teresita Sebastian. I am 6 member of my family. I have 5 brother and 3 sister.
Do you have any overseas experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
What particular place?
In Hong Kong, ma'am.
What were your duties and responsibilities with your employer?
To do my work, cleaning the house, wash the clothes, cooking, car washing, and take the kid to the school.
Very good. If given chance to work again in Hong Kong, are you willing to look after a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What experience do you have in taking care of a newborn baby?
Give a bath, give a milk, change diaper, and feed at the right time.
Why do you think you are a suitable domestic helper?
Because I am hardworking and I am honest to my employer.
What will you do first if the baby is crying?
I carry the baby and I give milk.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong again, ma'am, because I want to earn some money to support my family.
Very good. Do you know how to sing nursery rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the moon so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. Can you give a message to your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your helper, and I promise I am finish my contract and I am honest to you. Thank you, ma'am, sir.